Hey, how's it going, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Are you looking to install some engine covers on your CRF300L? If that's the case, stick around and I'll show to you the step-by-step. The engine cover that I'm installing here is from the company ACERBIS. I have bought this with my own money, and I'll leave the code of this product here on the screen in case you want to buy the same. To get started, let's flip the cover, and then you're going to take these 4 washers in here, and you're going to press them in position like this. We'll just push it in. You can do it by hand. You're going to hear a click. Here's the next position. Here's the next one. And here's the final one. So here should have 1, 2, 3, 4. On the opposite side, you only need 3 of them. Same idea. So you have 1, 2, 3. We're going to reuse the original screws to fixate the cover in place, but you only need to fixate 4 screws, and these are the screws matching with these bushings in here. And to remove these screws, you're going to need the 8mm socket. So here's the first one. Here's the second one. Here's the third one. And here's the fourth one. When reinstalling these screws, you should also use some thread lock or Loctite, and these screws do not require a lot of torque. It's only 10 Nm. So here's some Loctite. So line up the cover. It may happen to you that this hose clamp in here is on the way of your cover. If that's the case, you just need to loosen a little bit this clamp, this hose clamp, move it a little bit to the side so there is space for you to install the cover, and then tighten it again. So you can see here, now I have the clearance to push the cover all the way in. So here goes the first screw. Here's the second screw. Now here's an important tip: if you don't have a torquemeter at home, these screws do not require a lot of torque. You're talking about sensitive screws because they go directly into your engine, so you don't want to over torque them. It's only 10 Nm. The right side is completed. Let's now move to the left side. Line up the cover, observing where the bushings are. So now line up the cover, insert the screw. Same idea, do not over torque anything. And here's the bottom one. So here's, once you're finished, that's what you want to have. Okay, so now let me show to you how is it going to be the compatibility in case you also have additional protection already installed on your CRF300L. So this here is a skid plate from Adventure Spec, and you can see here it is possible to mount the cover in combination with the skid plate. I also have this frame protection, which is also from ACERBIS, so obviously then it's going to work. That's okay. Let's take a look on the other side. Same thing in here. The skid plate does not interfere with the engine cover. And in here I also have the frame cover from ACERBIS, so everything works well. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check the next one that is here on the screen. Bye bye.